I'm Shannon the Garden Girl from Georgina Garden Center. So in my last video I planted up my herbs and I said I had an idea for my lemon balm and my lemon basil. So what I'm going to do with them is I started a planter, it's kind of a mixed planter, I have a standard heliotrope and I have lantana, I have a citronella, a lavender, an annual lavender, and then a tricolor sage here on the side. And my thought behind it was a few of them, I like heliotrope and lavender, heliotrope and lantana. I just really like the two flowers. And heliotrope, it kind of has a powdery vanilla-y smell. Sometimes some people say it almost smells like a licorice as well, but it's a really nice plant. It attracts butterflies and other pollinators. So I wanted that for all my other plants, vegetables, herbs, things like that in the backyard as well, and just to attract pollinators in general. And same with lantana. Lantana also attracts pollinators. You'll have butterflies galore with it. It has a scent to it as well. And I thought, well, with those two scented, why not throw some mosquito repelling scented items in there as well. So this one's citronella. It's a scented geranium is what it is, and it smells like lemon. Then I have tricolor sage. Again, it's scented, but again, I like it because it has purple stems and then creamy white margins with the green on the inside. So it just adds a nice texture and some color to the planter. And then this one is an annual lavender. So again, it will keep mosquitoes away. So what I think I'm going to do, or what I know I'm going to do, is put these lemon scented plants in there as well. So that way, not all my herbs are in one. I have them all mixed together. Kind of makes the planter a little bit more interesting. So what I'm going to do, I have these planted in here already, but I can move them because they haven't been in here too long. So I'm going to just move my tricolor sage. Just move it over closer to my citronella. And then here I didn't put my sage beside my lavender because they both have purple, and I'm planting some other green items in. So I'm going to divide the purple and put the green in between. I'm going to put the lemon basil in between those guys. Break up the roots, and when you plant, make sure the soil level is even with the soil level in your planter. Stick that in there. And then on this side, I'm going to move my lantana just a little bit closer to the citronella. Lantana will go higher, and it will also trail. It's a great plant. If you haven't tried it and you have a lot of sun, please try it. You'll never not have it after you've tried it. You will always get it every single year. It's just that good of a plant. It's very reliable, great bloomer, and if you want pollinators, it's one of the plants to have. So I'm going to put a little hole in here for the lemon balm. Now I know some of these items will grow quite large. They can kind of overtake a planter, but I'll just keep them pinched. And if I'm using them to repel mosquitoes while I'm sitting out here in the evening, you will use them more. Some of the herbs you can use in cooking or things like that as well. So as long as you know some of these items are going to get bigger, you just keep them pinched back. We'll keep them full, and then the planter won't look overgrown in a little bit. So the lemon balm, again, I'm putting it between two flowering plants. So I have the lavender, I have green, lantana, which is blooming, citronella, which is green. The sage doesn't bloom, but it's in color, then green, and then back to lavender. So it's all well balanced, and I think it should be a really nice mosquito repellent planter, very scented as well for everyone else sitting around, and useful because you can use herbs in with your flowers. Have a great day, guys.